This is an Employee Tracker Content Management System application. It's a CLI that uses Node, Inquirer, and MySQL to allow businesses to view and manage their departments, roles, and employees. You can see here in our database folder, we have MySQL for a schema file, which creates the employee database as well as tables for the department, role, and employee. It also has a seed file that contains information that's going to populate those tables. So both of those can be run in MySQL. Then if we look at our package.json, you can see we require the dependencies Inquirer and MySQL. We also have console.table and chalk, and those are just going to help it look nice within our command line. So here in our JavaScript, we've required all of the things from our package.json, and then we have our boilerplate code that's going to make the connection to our local host. And then we have all of the questions that are going to be asked of the user in the command line. So instead of reading through this code, why don't we look at it in action? So when you first run it, you're asked what sort of task you want to perform. Let's go through each of them. So first we'll view all departments, and we're shown a chart of all of the departments, view all of the roles, again, a table of all the roles, view all employees, we're shown a table of all the employees. This takes information from each of our different tables and compiles them together. So if we want to add a department, we can enter a new department, say marketing. And after we enter, we're told that the addition was successful, marketing has been added, and then we're shown the table with marketing included. If we want to add a new role, marketing manager, enter a salary, enter a department ID, which we know is 3 from the chart above, then hit enter. And then we can add a new employee as our last one. So first name, last name, employee role ID. We will make this person a junior designer, so they will have a role ID of 4. Enter employee manager's ID. Our creative director is 1. And then you can see that Jane Doe is added to our employee list with the position junior designer, and she's under the creative director, Tom Smith. So let's say that our other junior designer, then Sarah Wolf, got a promotion. So she's now going to be a designer. We can update an employee role, enter the ID of the employee we want to update, it's 3, and update the role ID, so 3 again. And now if we view our employees, you can see that now she is a principal designer. And then when you're done with all of your updates, you can exit. So that's it. I hope you enjoy.